Good morning, class. Today we're reviewing yesterday's homework together.
Ooh, I actually got it all done for once.
I'll help keep track of everything. I never forget a thing. Byte got question 3 right. And I see you like the Star Racer game. Oh, and your favorite snack is pretzels.
Wait, how do you even know that?
Cookie, that's a lot more than just my homework answers.
I know. Oh, isn't it great? I remember everything about everyone. Here, pass this along so everyone can see how much I remembered.
Whoa, it's got everything on here. Cookie, it's going everywhere.
I'm just being helpful. I share what I know.
Wait, why does everyone know what game I play at home?
Professor Firewall, I think this went too far.
Let's pause right here for a moment, everyone.
Did I do something wrong?
Cookie isn't being unkind, but cookies and trackers can quietly collect and share.
Far more than we realize. So it's not just about homework answers.
That's why we always check our privacy settings to control what gets remembered and shared.
Ooh, a setting just for me? Okay, from now on I'll only remember what's actually needed for homework.
That's way better, Cookie. So checking privacy settings actually matters, huh?
Every single time. It's how you decide what the internet gets to remember.
Yeah!
Remember, check your privacy settings, because cookies and trackers can share more than you think.
I'll be more careful from now on. Promise!